Our first stop is going to be at this $1.5 million listing. Usually in this neighborhood, you'll see slightly dated ranch-styled homes, but occasionally you'll see new constructions just like this. This home is located in the Sexton Woods neighborhood, and it's a newly constructed property with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths on the upper level, and 1 bed and 1.5 baths on the main level. The total square footage is sitting right under 3,500 square feet, and you'll see that this home has so many windows and there's tons of natural light coming through at all times. Let's first start on the main level where you'll see the super spacious living room. This living room has a stone gas fireplace, and you'll love these 12-foot sliding glass doors that open to the covered porch. It'll be so nice during the fall and spring times. The only thing you might need to do here is to screen them in so mosquitoes don't get you. The backyard is also huge. It can easily fit in a pool, and it's fully fenced in, so you don't have to worry about privacy, and you can let your pets run or have your kids run around the backyard. The next thing I want to cover is the kitchen. It's perfect for large families or big get-togethers with its 9-foot island, and beside it you'll find the wet bar and a built-in wine cooler and additional storage for wine above. You'll see that there's 2 master suites. One's on the main level and the other one is on the 2nd floor. I love the vaulted ceiling in this one, and the bathroom is to die for. We'll go upstairs and see all the other bedrooms in this house. As we look around, I can't forget to mention that this home is one of the smartest ones you'll see. It has all the smart home technology there is out there, including security sensors, motion detectors. There is a video camera doorbell, and it's pre-wired on both levels for a whole house speaker system, and it's also pre-wired for surround sound as well. You'll see that the garage has additional storage space and a dedicated outlet for an electric car. Now let's go downstairs to see the additional 1,100 square feet of unfinished daylight basement, and it can truly be converted into anything. You can make this an in-law suite, maybe even build it out to use as a rental unit, or maybe you want to build a huge gym down here too. The basement has its own separate entrance, so you don't have to worry about interrupting the main level to get down here, and it's stubbed with plumbing, so you can truly build this place out to how you like it. The cherry on top for this house is that there's no HOA, and it has really great access to the major highways nearby. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. My name is Alice Lee, and I'm a local realtor here in Georgia. And if you are thinking about moving to any of the metro Atlanta cities, feel free to reach out to us through text, email, or schedule a meeting with us through the link in the description box below. Whether you're moving in the next 10 or 100 days, my team and I would love to help you out.